Speed is going to expose strength gaps. Like we talked in yesterday's post, we need to have a specific amount of strength in order to tolerate the loads we're trying to get to, whether we're trying to improve our overall performance in racing, if we're trying to get faster overall. We need to be able to generate force and power output to maintain that over an extended period of time. But as you run faster, if you feel like you're breaking down, if you're feeling like you're extra achy, or we're dealing with some pain, we're missing something, we're having a gap in there. Because as we put more force into the ground, or as we attempt to put more force into the ground, we have a specific thing that comes back at us, and that's known as a ground reaction force. And our body has to be able to deal with it. And we can't deal with it, that's when we start to have mechanical faults like our pelvic drop, like we've been talking about for a while. We start to have overload into other muscles that shouldn't be working, like our hamstrings, like we talked about on Monday. And we need to be able to, like I said earlier, be able to withstand that force for an extended period of time. So if we're doing a 5K, a 10K, half marathon, whatever it is, we need to be able to tolerate those forces over time to maintain the same amount of power output. And if we can't do that, that's why we start to have losses in speed. That's why we start to have breakdown. That's why we start to get hurt, injured, feel achy, stiff afterwards. So if this hits home for you, double tap your screen so that we know that 1, you're not alone out there, and 2, that this resonates with you. And also, if this does hit home for you, if you're having any specific questions, concerns about your strength and anything we talked about today, leave it down in the comments so that we can help answer any of your questions, give you the support that you need. So again, double tap this if this hits home. Put any questions or concerns down in the comments. Direct message us if you don't feel like leaving that down below. And make sure you save this for later and share it out with your friends. See you guys in the next video.